In this video, I will be cleaning the mass airflow sensor, a MAF sensor in my 2013 Mazda 3, and this is a Mazda that has the Skyactiv engine. The only things I need to do this are some CRC sensor cleaner, which is a mass airflow sensor cleaner specific item, and a Phillips head screwdriver, which is the star screwdriver. So there's the mass airflow sensor just on the engine side of the air intake, and it's held in place by two Phillips head screws, and they come out no problem. Just be careful that you don't lose them, and then once the two screws are out, you can pull the airflow sensor out. And I had a little bit of trouble with the clip with the gloves on, and remove it from the electrical connector. So to clean it, you should definitely wear gloves so it doesn't get all over your skin. And you want to use the mass airflow sensor cleaner specifically because things like WD-40 and brake cleaner leave a residue which could impede the function of your mass airflow sensor, and other cleaners could be a little more aggressive and actually damage the plastic, and this thing is largely made up of plastic. So I spray this thing down 3 or 4 times, getting all the metal bits and inside of it as well. However, I do only show myself spraying it down here for a few seconds. Once you've got it good and clean and you're happy with the work you've done, you just got to set it aside so it air dries for a few minutes. Once it's dry, reconnect the electrical connector, insert it back into the mass airflow sensor housing, and reinstall the 2 screws. Now overall, I would say that this job took under 10 minutes to perform, and that is including the 2 or 3 minutes I waited for the mass airflow sensor cleaner to evaporate while I was sort of cleaning up after myself. And once you have the mass airflow sensor back in your vehicle, it's always a good idea to turn the vehicle on and make sure there's no error codes. And everything looks good to go. Anyway, a quick and easy job. Thanks for checking out the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.